One of the biggest problems that a lot of us creators face is the loss of ideas. We have these ideas most of the times at situations where we are not able to capture it. You might be in the bath, in your car, you might be walking, and you just miss out on that idea. One option that a lot of productivity experts suggest is to use your voice note on the phone and record a voice note. But then again, the problem is that when you want to use that idea or create a structured note out of that idea, you have to go back, listen to it, or get an AI to transcribe it, take that transcript, and then create a structured note by yourself. Now, it takes a lot of time. That is one problem that VoiceLab solves. That gap between speaking and getting an organized, structured note out of it is what VoiceLab solves. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, a raw voice note to a structured blog post or an article in real time, and how I go about using VoiceLab. Hello and welcome to Create, Learn, Earn. My name is Dilip. I'm a blogger, podcaster and affiliate marketer. If you're new here, then this is a channel where I share a lot of simple tips on using content to make money online. I talk about podcasting, blogging, social media, newsletters, and making money with videos. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, then you might want to do it right away so that you get all of my latest content first when I release it. So on to VoiceLab. Now, VoiceLab is an app that we developed in-house to help solve this big problem that we were facing. We had a ton of ideas, but most of the time these ideas would strike at the wrong moment when we are not able to capture it. So that is where the idea of VoiceLab was born. And today we use VoiceLab every day, every minute to capture not just ideas, but to capture book notes, to get research notes, and to capture ideas for blog posts, videos, podcasts, pretty much everything. And we have an inbuilt research option inside VoiceLab which will help you go about doing researches on the ideas that you have captured. So I'll quickly show you a short video, a short demo of how I convert an idea into a blog post, a structured blog post article using VoiceLab. Let me show you the full process. I'm going to record a voice note right now. This is an idea that I've had for creating a blog post for some time. So I will record this quick voice note and we'll watch how VoiceLab processes it and turns it into an article structure, and then how we sync it to Notion. So I'm going to hit record and record this voice note. Now you can see here this is the home screen, and you can see here I already have a microphone icon here, which is basically a feature that we have in Android. It is a quick record feature, so you can save this on your home screen and this will help you get started immediately. Now what I'll do is I'll open the app, and once I'm on the app, I will go ahead and click the record button, and then I'll record the voice note. I spent about 18 months building a Threads account, and I grew the account from about 0 to 1,500 followers. Spent a lot of time writing content, engaging with people, and then all of a sudden one day what happens is Threads just blocks my account, saying that they found some unusual activity happening on the account. And after 24 hours, they simply go ahead and ban the account. That was 18 months of my effort going down the drain in just 2 days. And this is a story that many other people would also have faced on these social media platforms. Social media platforms are rented platforms where if you're building all of your business only on these platforms, then it is just a matter of time before they change their algorithm, or they decide for some reason they decide to ban you, and all of your business is gone. Thankfully for me, I had built my email list, which meant that even if my account was banned, I still had the email account that I could use to go ahead and market to my followers. So if you're not building an email account, then you absolutely need to start building an email account right now. Now that's a voice note that I recorded. I will let VoiceLab go ahead and transcribe this audio and convert it into a note. We'll give it a couple of seconds while the transcription is running, and once the transcription is done, we'll come back and see how the note is done. You can see here the transcription is already done. Now you also have an append option here, so if you want to add to the note, you can continue recording, and when you scroll a little further down here, you can see here there are two options. One is create note and the other one is create content. What we'll do is we'll first create a note using this transcript. When I click on create note, it is saying processing, and in a few minutes you'll be able to see how the structured note is created. You can see here it says email list importance, and it talks about all of these things. Now you can see here it gives you the option to download the audio and save note as well. Now you also have an option of syncing to Notion. So if you click on this button, it'll sync to Notion, and I'll then show you how it shows up on Notion. Now that sync is done, so which means the sync to Notion is done. Now you can create content out of this. All you need to do is just click on create content, and once that is done, you can go through all of these options. Like for example, the type of content, we'll pick blog article. The content framework, we'll use the PAS framework. The length, the writing style, you can create multiple styles. I have mine created here, the lip natural, medium post, and there are a few options here. The personal story lesson and the contrarian thought, the strategic advice. So these are some titles or structures that the app has already picked for you. You can select one of it, and the final post will be forged in a few minutes, maybe a couple of seconds before the final post is ready. And once the post is ready, I'll show you how to go about syncing it to Notion as well. Now you can see here is the final post. How to protect your business from sudden social media bans. Now it talks about my story. I watched 18 months of growth vanish in exactly 48 hours. I had built my Threads account from 0 to 1500 followers, investing hundreds of hours. The reality of rented land. You can see here it's nicely organized into headers. Why platforms are volatile, your business insurance policy, how to start your list. So all of these things are here. Now if you are not happy with the content that has been created, you can always recreate another version. All you need to do is just click on recreate. It will create another version. And you can see here you have an option of syncing it to Notion. So if you click sync to Notion, it is saying Notion syncing, and it's done. So it will sync to Notion. I'll show you how it appears on Notion, how this particular blog post shows up on Notion. The first note that we created was saved like this. Here is a transcript. This is a note that was generated. This is just a normal note that was created, and here is a blog post that was created. Now it's already saved to your Notion. You can go ahead, refine it, edit it, create images, and upload it to your blog post. So that is basically how Notion is synced to VoiceLab. Every note that you create, it is synced with Notion. You have to manually go and sync it. We haven't added an automatic sync just because it would unnecessarily add to your database tables. But you can always go and sync it to Notion whenever you feel that there is a content that you feel can be synced to Notion. And when you set up VoiceLab, initially it automatically creates this particular table, and once a table is created, it starts syncing. You can see here it creates a task database, a journals database, a book notes database, a social media database. So these are some of the databases that VoiceLab automatically sets, and whenever it detects one of these nodes, it is automatically synced to that particular database. It doesn't mean that if you've created a social media post, it will be synced to the book notes database. Only book notes will be synced to the book notes database. So that is how the Notion sync works. So that's basically how my capture workflow works. every idea that used to disappear and I was never able to capture it, all of those ideas on a walk, in the car, right before I sleep, all of that now gets captured and structured without me having to sit down and organize it later. So everything is organized. All I need to do is just go about using it whenever I am in a situation to use it, or it is time for me to go ahead and use it. Now the Notion sync is just one such output. Depending upon what you recorded, VoiceLab can format your content into social media posts, a structured task list, or a long form draft, a book note like what you saw when I shared the Notion screenshot. Now, if you've recorded a rough idea for a LinkedIn post, all that you need to do is just select that format and it gets converted into a LinkedIn format. If you are thinking through a project and want a task breakdown, you can select one of those options and it will be created as a task breakdown. The AI reads what you said and it adapts the output to the format that you are looking for. And that is basically what happens inside the Forge mode. And the custom styles is basically custom persona. You can go about adding everything that you want your output to sound and create a custom style. We have that option, and those custom styles can be used to convert your voice notes into the kind of content that you are looking to generate. So if you would like to try it out, VoiceLab has a free option. The link is there in the description box below. Go ahead, try it out, and there is no credit card needed. You will be able to use most of the features. Go ahead, try it out, and if you find value in it, you can always upgrade to the Pro version, which gives you a lot many options, including syncing to Notion, syncing to Obsidian, and a lot of the other features that we spoke about. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below and I'll respond to all of that. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, then do give this video a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, then you might want to do it right away so that you stay updated with all of the latest videos that I release. Until the next video, this is goodbye from Dilip. Create, learn, earn.